Have you ever tried baking cookies with coconut sugar? I'm going to show you how to do cookies with coconut sugar and oats. For this recipe I'm using 1 cup of oats. You can use oatmeal. From half a cup to 1 cup of coconut sugar, that depends on the sweetness that you like. 1 cup of self-raising flour. If you are using plain flour, make sure to add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder, 65 grams butter softened room temperature, and 1 egg, about half a cup of any kind of a dried fruit, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's start. This is a really simple and easy recipe that you can do in 15 minutes. You will not need a food processor to do this recipe, but it's best to use oatmeal. That's why I'm using the food processor, so I can process the oats first. And into that going to add the butter, the coconut sugar, flour, vanilla. Mix again. Now I'm going to break the egg into that. So it is ready and I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. And into that going to add the sultana. Now mix. I have this tray prepared, and use a small scoop and put the mix onto the baking sheet. And make sure to leave space in between to spread. So this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 15 to 20 minutes. So the oat and honey cookies are ready, and this is how it is. The nice brownish color comes from the coconut sugar, and if I open, it's nice crunchy and gooey inside. It's a nice cookie that you can have with a nice cup of tea or coffee. This will stay in an airtight container up to 2 weeks. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.